In this video, I will show you WordPress hosting, best discount on Hostinger. It's web hosting company and it has actually some great discount for everyone. It's the cheapest company for web hosting and it has the highest rate in all the company out there. I have discounted today 75% on WordPress hosting on Hostinger. We need to go to hostinger.com, then we need to click on hosting, and we need to click on WordPress hosting, and we need to click on start now. You will see 4 options here. You can choose any one you like. Actually, I have discount 75% for all of them. So let's go with the middle one. The first month, it's gonna be $4, but after that, you need to make your own plan. You need to choose the time you will be hosting your company, if for 1 month, or for 1 year, or 2 years, or 4 years. But it's only work on 12 months, or 24 months, or 48 months. Anyway, the discount code I have, let's choose 4 year, and let's go down. You will see the discount code is here, and you will find the discount code, it's a view more than $500, so you can have your own WordPress. I will put the coupon and the link in description. If you click on the link straight, it will give you 77% off. And that's all for today.